you, Gwen fach. You're home, safe and sound. Mum, when's Dad coming home? Gwen Jones? Monkey? Gwen? Monkey? Her father died in the war. Oh, Dad. Dad, I'm sorry for being so horrible. I can't wait to have you back from Afghanistan. And we can go for a chocolate cake. You and me. Send.